Alright, now you can just walk with the train. Oh, there's a nice locomotive. Okay, he's switching.
Well, that thing's a rattle.
This is my Santa Fe SD40-2 for you guys. So yeah. So you really like this layout, Ben?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, just keep following my train. Some of my trains going awfully slow.
Yeah.
Also, make sure maybe let the train go by to see the show the whole shot of the cars.
Yeah, I've done that.
Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 cars I believe I'm pulling. How's it going?
Alright, so
far. This is a tunnel actually that goes by, and here comes my train.
Cool.
I should be good on battery too.
Yeah. So far, no issues. You have full
That's
battery.
why I'm getting a new engine, because this engine, I can tell you this engine, we took it to 2 trains. We took it to. That's okay. Here, if you can put this wrap around.
It was the
your
other
arm.
hand that fell off.
Check that out, railroad crossing.
Nice.
So, what you do is, here. Oh, check this out. Oh, no, it's not. It's below here. See, check that out.
Nice.
It's actually in there.
Yeah.
So yeah. Howdy. Hang on, check out my train.
I did. I saw that.
So yeah. So this is the train clubhouse. So you never been here, Ben?
No, this is the first time I've been here, but that's pretty cool.
This locomotive is running great.
Yeah.
This also helps me a lot. Thank you, Ben, for taking the video because it's hard to hold it. Oh, also, guys, I'm using a DCC command system. It's digital track.
Yeah.
So I also like putting videos on YouTube, so that's why I'm doing that. Also, the locomotive you're seeing, guys, is an SD40-2 Santa Fe war bonnet. Yep, that'll be. It's passing another train. It's passing the westbound. I'm eastbound. Alright, we can come this way, Ben.
Okay.
And my train will come on this track. So here, can you get a shot, like right here? Yeah. You can also zoom in if you want.
I'll do that.
Oh, and yeah, that's a good photo of my train. So yeah. Oh, you can zoom out too. Do you have your own camera, Ben?
I don't actually.
And Ben, this is a cool thing. This is I'm playing the weather this locomotive more.
Yeah. It looks like it's already taken a beating.
What?
Looks like it's already taken a pretty good amount of damage.
What, the locomotive?
Yeah, it's been weathered.
Well, it's weathered, but the
Yeah.
model trains do the real thing, which is really cool.
Yeah.
I guess we'll have to be quiet. My train, hey, take a shot of this Amtrak,
Yeah.
too. It meets an Amtrak train. That train's hitting dirty track. Hey Ben, do you notice the cause of the weather too?
Yep.
That makes me really interested too. Are you shutting down the thing?
So Dave spent the next week painting
Okay.
an A and B unit in
How do you like it though?
Yeah, it's
what
cool.
was that you painted for Noah? It's not even on the same track. Amazing now. And then we had a couple of units that we were going to sell, and we decided just to give to them. So we got a lot of them. They were going to come to us with a book. Noah starts high school.
Dixie guy.
Yep.